In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. So if you're currently facing that exact issue, well actually me myself, I had the exact same problem and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into your TikTok app and then come to your profile right here as you can see. And now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do firstly is to just click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So what you're going to do on this page is to just click on settings and privacy, as you can see. So just click here, and now we should be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, we're just going to scroll down a little bit, and then we're going to click on report a problem, as you can see. So just click here, it's just going to load here for us, and perfectly we should now be taken to this page right here. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down all the way down until you can see where it says submit a report. So click on submit a report and you should now be taken here. So now you're actually going to now contact the customer support that works for TikTok, and they're the ones that can actually fix this issue for us. So you're going to write like this: I am having issues with my direct messages not showing on my TikTok account. I need this to be fixed. So this is basically exactly what you need to write to them. I'm having issues with my direct messages not showing on my TikTok account. I need this to be fixed, and then click on submit. And then what you're going to do after this is to wait 1 to 2 business days for the TikTok support to be able to see this, and hopefully after that it will now be fixed for you, because it was fixed for me, so it should also be fixed for you. So this is basically exactly how to fix this specific issue.